So, welcome to Tayabas!
Hello Tayabas in Philippines. I am behind of the St. Michael's Archipelago Church, also known as the longest aisle in the Philippines. Did you know, guys, this is our church in shaped like a key. You heard it right. It's shaped like a key. Susi ng Tayabas. Come on, let's go inside. This is the longest aisle. How long the aisle is? Constructed and became a public school. Come and visit and unlock the history and beauty of Tayabas.
Thank you for watching. Bye!